Guys, nothing beats some good old chicken back cooked on wood fire or coal fire. Today I'm using coal because if you know Marie, I don't want to wash the black pot. So I'm going to season up my chicken back. I already cleaned it. It's in here. Already cleaned. It's a bit windy out here, guys. Cleaned, and I'm going to season it now, and then I'm going to brown it down. You don't know what that means? Come, let me show you. So that is my Dutch pot, and that is the best thing to cook on when you're using wood fire or coal fire because it is thick, so it will hold the heat but your food won't burn. Malik just bring my pot for me. I'm going to fry the meat first, so I'm going to have it heat up while I season. And chicken back don't need to soak because there's not a lot of flesh on it. It's mostly bone. So it don't need to soak anything. It don't need to be marinated. Alright guys, so this is garlic, but I'm going to fry this in the oil. Excuse me, so pick that up. I'm going to fry that in the oil. So let that sit for a bit. I need to go to the garden, so let me just season it. So marinate for 5 minutes because I need to go into the garden. This is just some chicken seasoning. Let me open this. It's just some chicken seasoning, guys, and if you look closely in there, this is as natural as a powder season is going to get. You can see the thyme and the ginger bits and all of that. It's a lovely chicken seasoning. Hi baby. I'm going to put some black pepper. Hey baby, you want meat? This child don't eat meat.
Yeah.
You can come here. Hot. And then some regular Maggi chicken seasoning because this is my favorite one. That's browning. I'm going to add some. I'm not adding any salt yet because these seasonings are so salty. Let me add some. This is soy sauce, and as you know, soy sauce is a bit salty. Malik, bring the oil for me, please. Let me add a little browning. Not too much. Hot need the oil, guys. And if you know chicken back, you know it don't need a lot of oil to fry it, as it already has a lot of oil on it. If you're watching your weight and your diet, chicken back is not for you. Loaded with fat. Some of you might be wondering, what is chicken back? Because this thing is not exported to all countries. I understand. I've not been to all countries, so I'm speaking based on what I'm hearing. So chicken back is mostly exported to third world countries. Is that true, guys? Do you know chicken back? This is literally the back of the chicken, and I cut it in 2 halves, and I'm going to fry it. But I need to add a scotch bonnet pepper and some garlic to my oil first, and some pimento seeds. So let me take you over to the garden. Let's go get some fresh scotchy. I need a green one as well as a ripe one. I'm going to put the green one whole, but I need a ripe one to cut up in the oil now to fry. Let me get a red one over here. Can't cook chicken or chicken back without a piece of thyme. And I need a bell pepper or a baby bell pepper. Anyone will do. This is a baby bell pepper tree. I'll just take one of these. These taste exactly like bell peppers. I have scallions out here as well, but I have some that I harvested already inside. So let's go cook the chicken back now. My 2 peppers. Let's put them in the oil. I'm going to put some Put my garlic in there. Just crush them in the shell or whatever you call this thing on it. And drop them in there. Gosh, you want to smell that already. And then I'm putting some reggae balls, pimento seed in there. That already smells so good. Allow these to brown a little and then I'll add the meat. Alright, so I'm going to allow that to brown on both sides and then I put another set in. After I'm cooking this with rice. The rice is inside, guys, but I just love the chicken back on the coal fire because it tastes so good. I'm going to prepare the seasoning for the meat in the meantime. That is steaming out. Guys, chicken back don't need a lot of nothing to season it up. All I'm going to use is some, I think I might put another little piece of garlic in there. Just a piece of onion, some scallion, a little bell pepper, some hot pepper, thyme, some ketchup, a little more soy sauce and a little oyster sauce. That's it. That's all chicken back needs. You know, a lot of stuff that I grew up eating I don't like now. Because some of them bring back bad memories. Some of them I just eat too much of it growing up. So, I just don't want it now. But chicken back is not one of them. I raise my own chicken, guys. And I'll still go and buy chicken back. I don't know why. I just love chicken back. I hear one of you asking where is Steve. I can just hear you asking where he is. He's at work. So I'm cooking for me and my boy. As the little one don't eat meat. So I'm cooking for me and Malik. Steve is at work. As usual. This little pepper tastes just like sweet pepper. It's just shaped different and a little smaller. They taste exactly the same. Such a good feeling to be able to go and just pick your seasoning in your garden. Guys, telling you. Saw bell pepper for $600 per pound. It might be more in the supermarket. That was the market. Can you imagine? Alright, and I just need some more of the pimento seed. Yeah. Spice up my chicken back. Supposed to want to turn out. Guys, let me know in the comment if you've ever had chicken back. I know most Jamaicans probably would have eaten this, even though growing up, some people said chicken back was actually dog food. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Please share mine. Share mine, please. I'll take it. And take out this pepper. I'll take my plate. Just love this thing. I'm going to strain off all of that oil when I'm done. So don't worry, I won't be eating that grease. But even so, chicken back is just greasy, guys. It's just a greasy meal. Alright, so it's all brown now. I'm going to remove the meat from the oil, and then I'm going to get rid of the excess oil, add the meat back to the pot, and then cook it down. Alright, so strain off the excess oil, adding back all of the meat. Oh, guys, you want to smell it? Need to add some ketchup. Some soy sauce. Some oyster sauce. This thing is strong, so just a little. Give it a lovely, lovely flavor. And all of my seasoning that I cut up from the garden, just add that in. And this needs some water. Let me get some water. Yeah, and then we just cover that and let it cook. It's supposed to be ready now. Oh yeah, this is perfectly ready. Guys, we're hungry. So that's the chicken back when it's ready, guys. Cook down chicken back. We're going to eat it with some white rice. Dinner is ready, guys. Dinner is ready. Malika, go taste it. See your grace. Guys, let's taste it. You can't eat chicken back with fat, Virgin. You have to do this. This is, we are African roots. We come from Africa. We're Jamaican. Nice. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining us, guys. Appreciate you. Guys, if you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a video. Please remember to like, leave your comments, share with your friends, guys, because if you like our videos, chances are your friends will too. Alright? Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone. Beverage.
No, everybody.
You hot?
Very.